Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India, and I've just been to the post office, picked up this package here from my friends over at Retevis, and they've sent me a couple of radios that they want me to take a look at and review. So I want to open this and I want to take you along for the journey, so let's move over to the table. Let's get it started and get a knife out. First of all, we got the, let's see if I can do this correctly. See if we can get these out. We got the pesky customs documents. First box done, and here's another ordinary radio brown cardboard box. Let's see what we got here. We got a USB-C cable. We got a charger. Actually, this first cable looks like a programming cable. That's nice to have. We have two USB-C charging cables. And we got two of these PMR radios. The Retevis RT622P. Half a watt of power. And for PMR 446. And we got another radio. Some plastic. Manual. Guess we'll have to read and look through that later on. Got some stickers with numbers. And that's about it. So, to sum this up, we have the two Retevis RT622 radios, PMR radios, one USB charger, two USB-C charging cables, and it's really nice to see a radio that can be charged with USB-C, and one USB-C programming cable, manual, and two sets of stickers from 1 to 10. And that's all. So let's see if the radios turn on. See how easy they can be used without a manual.
Power on, 14.
Okay, that's on, channel 14.
Power on, 14.
And the second one with channel 14. Let's try them out.
Please do like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video or any of my other videos.
What I'll be doing the next couple of days is that I'm going to test these radios through the different channels, see how to program in tones on them, and see what else can be done through the programming cable, and just do a general review of them. But the first impressions are good. They're tiny but really solidly built. Oh, look, there's one more thing here. Let's open this up. Okay, there is, looks like a headphone jack, probably a headphone microphone jack, and the charging cable there. So, this far it looks really nice, and these do come, for you guys in North America, they do come in an FRS edition as well. I'll have to check up what the model number is and put it right over here on the screen. But that means both Europeans and Americans can get these radios for a license-free operation. So thank you again to Retevis for sending these radios over to me for review. And I'll be doing a thorough review in the next couple of days and come back with my conclusions. So thank you for watching, and until next time, 7-3.